But it's wonderful that you're going that way, Shakti. Yeah. From here, let's do a little bit of mantra singing. And the mantra that we are singing today is going to be the wonderful shortened version of one of the mantras I really, really like. It's so easy. That's also why I like it, because it's so easy. You know, I can just start to repeat it and everybody can join in. And it's the Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu mantra. And it's here to let the entire world be happy. That's the meaning. Let the entire world be happy. That's what we are wishing for. And this is kind of the meaning of the mantra. And there's also a vibrational quality of the mantra that travels throughout our body, and maybe it connects to a certain body part of ours. So maybe you feel like, oh yeah, I feel stuck in my chest, or I feel stuck in my throat, and I can't sing really, or something like that, right? So you can connect with that and learn more about your body with repeating these mantras. At least, you know, that's how I explain it. And maybe it might be a little bit different for you. You know, maybe you discover something else that is completely unknown for me, right? But it's also all about your development, all about figuring out things, learning something new about yourself, and maybe overcoming obstacles as well. So maybe you're afraid of like singing this mantra. Could be, right? Maybe you're thinking like, what for? This is stupid. I don't want to do this. I'm ashamed, right? Good. That's good to honor that, to connect with that, and then maybe to overcome it. Let's do this today. Very much invited to join in with me whenever you're ready. We're just going for about 2-3 minutes. Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino 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 Bhavantu Loka samasta Sukino 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 Slowly come back. Tune in how your body feels right now. What's the difference between right now, before, singing the mantra right now? Releasing it again. Releasing mantra singing completely. Here. Let's connect a little bit with breathing practice. We're going for Nadi Shodhana. It's alternate nostril breathing. I'd like to join in for that, hopefully. We're going just for about 2 to 3 minutes. Breathing practice. The breathing practices I teach here are here to calm your nervous system. That's something you'd like to do. Please feel free to join. What you want to do is clean your nose. So if you have a stuck nose, clean your nose with your tissue. Take your time for that. And then right hand up. Index finger and the middle finger together. If you have your way of doing this, please do it your way. There are different ways of doing it. If you don't know it, I'll explain it. Fine. Bring the index finger and the middle finger together, and bring the index finger and the middle finger between your eyebrows, maybe a little bit above your third eye, if that makes sense to you. And then grab around with your thumb and your ring finger around the bony part of your nose and pull up pull up on the bony part of your nose. From there, start to breathe in just through your nose. And breathe out through your nose. Just continue for a moment as I explain the reminder. At any point in time, if the following breathing practice would become suffocating to you, please feel free to come out of it to your natural breath. Back to your natural breath. If it's, yeah, that's about it. Take a deep inhale together with me in 3, 2, 1. And exhale through your nose. And we're starting by closing your left nostril and breathing in through the right nostril. Closing the right, opening the left, breathing out through the left. Breathing in through the left. Closing the left, opening the right, breathing out through the right. Breathing in through the right again. Closing the right, opening the left, breathing out through the left. Inhale left. Close left, open right, breathe out right. Inhale right. Close right, open left, exhale left. Inhale left. Close left, open right, exhale right. And continue on your own. Next time you breathe in through the left nostril. Breathe out through both nostrils. And then breathe in again through both nostrils. Breathe out through both nostrils. And breathe in again through both nostrils. Slowly come back. Connect how you're feeling right now again. Always connect to how you're feeling after practice. And see if you feel different.